Here's some ways that you can fix a black screen on YouTube TV. The first method you can try is by reinstalling the YouTube TV app on your TV or streaming device. So since I use a Roku, how I would do that is come over to the YouTube TV app and then click on this little star icon on my remote. And then I would scroll down here and click on Remove App. Then I would scroll down here to search and then go ahead and search for and reinstall YouTube TV. The second method that you can try that is probably the most successful for people is restarting your smart TV. I also have a Samsung Smart TV here, and to do it on this, you can go ahead and either hold down the power button for about 10 to 30 seconds on your remote until your TV turns off and then back on again. Or you can go ahead and unplug the TV from your outlet for about a minute and then plug it back in. Restarting or rebooting your TV is going to be a little different for each brand, so you should probably search up how to do it correctly for your specific TV. If you're watching YouTube TV on a Roku or a Fire Stick, you may want to try to restart that as well. So those are a couple potential ways to fix the black screen issue on YouTube TV. If you're still having issues with it and you need to contact YouTube TV support, I made a video showing how to do that. So if you're interested, you can click on this video on the screen right now.